guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Uber. So if Uber is not sending you the verification code, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number linked to your Uber account. Also, make sure the correct country code is selected. Next, check if the Uber app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Uber and then tap on Update. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Uber app. For that, you need to press and hold the Uber app icon. Tap on Remove App and then delete the app. You can later reinstall the app from App Store and then try to request for a verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Uber's server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Uber. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.